Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use your MakeMyTrip wallet. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and open MakeMyTrip. Once you've done that, make sure that you're logged into your account, and when simply hovering over your profile icon on the top right, you can see there is going to be My Wallet tab. Normally you don't need to use your My Wallet tab because you can just make a payment through here by just adding your card. However, I'll tell you what My Wallet is there for. So as you can see, there are two kind of things or caches on my wallet. So there is going to be My Cash and there's going to be Reward Bonus. So if you want to understand what My Cash is, you can simply read here. So My Cash is the amount earned via cancellation, refunds, reaching MMT Black milestones, and spends accumulated via MMT ICICI co-brand credit card. So this is only the amount that is earned via cancellation, rewards and refunds and all these stuff, as you can see. And normally your My Cash earned via cancellation refunds does not expire, but via MMT Black milestones will expire after 3 months, and My Cash earned via MMT ICICI co-brand card will expire after 12 months, as you can see. And you can simply go ahead and use My Cash earned from promotional campaigns such as sign up reward, MMT Black, bank partnerships, etc. can be used completely on booking flights, hotels and holidays. In case of buses and cabs, minimum booking amount should be 500 to be able to use My Cash. So that is about it. And when it comes to reward bonus is the promotional amount given by MakeMyTrip to enable its user to make bookings at the lowest price. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.